Okay, artists, today I'm going to show you how you're going to start taking your own pictures and putting them on your digital art portfolio. So this is first my light box that I want to show you, and please take care as always when you use my things. So this is how you light it up, okay, and I'll come around the front to show you. And this is for if you had like a book or something that 8th graders are making a book, you could put it in, or polymer clay. So you would actually set this back in here, take a picture, okay, and you would use it to stand it up. So that would be for small objects like polymer clay, okay? So if you're coming back to the back, and let's say this is my artwork, which it's not, it's just a magazine, and the first thing that you would do is you would hold the iPad, usually my iPad, see how there's a glare because this is shiny, wasn't a good example. You would hold it over the black paper, maybe you turn the screen like this, okay, and then you would take a picture. So we're going to pretend that I took a picture, and then I'm going to pause the video and actually take a picture. Okay, artists, so after you have taken the picture, then you're going to use my iPad. I'm going to show you what to do. This is another iPad that I have, but you're going to actually use the one that I'm using to take the camera. It's trying to focus on it. You see the little button that is on the bottom, that big circle, okay? That's how you push to take a picture. And you're going to want to hold it up to where that is framed inside of it and take the picture. Okay, artists, so I'm going to show you what you do when you come back and use my iPad. You've already taken your picture, okay? So you go into Drive and push on Drive, and then you're going to type in your class links. So let's say that I'm 7A4, and then I type in links, okay? And you will see the class come up, and I press on it. And then you wait for it to load, and it takes a second. And if we have a lot of graphics on here, it'll be really slow. So while I wait for it to load. And there's two different ways that you can add your picture. If the document is already open, I have found that that is a quicker way to do it. So I'll show you both ways. So you scroll until you find your name. And I should have my name up here. Okay, so here's my name. It's not my project, but it's an example. So if I press on this slide, you see where it says edit slide, and then it says add comment. So you're gonna push edit slide, and then it'll look like this, and then you have the plus. So you push the plus. After you push the plus, it goes to image. You push on image. Now this is where I was telling you have two options. If the document's open, you go from camera, and I'm gonna take a picture of my desk, and I push OK. And then there, I press the picture. I push use photo. Lovely picture. And then it's right there. So now let's say you took a picture in advance like I did for you already. So I add, do the plus, image from my photos. So I push on photos. So if I go to image and go to photos, I guess you're not going to see it. So then I would pick a picture. If that's mine, then I'd push add. And then now it'll pop up. So you can actually shrink this a little bit here. Then after that, you would go to your desk, artist, and you would go to your drive. And let's say that I'm going to pick up my one. Okay, that's my DAP. So I would come into my DAP and pretend that this is my DAP. And then this is a different format than what you have an iPad versus a Chromebook. So then I would find my name. I'm sorry, not find my name because this is your slide. I would find the slide that I created, which I don't know. Oh, so on this slide, I have it created, ready to go. Okay, so I would press on it, same thing, edit slide, but yours is going to be insert image. Oh, I'm sorry. Yours is going to be copy and paste. You're going to go to my DAP, copy it, and then you're going to put that in there. Okay, so this part might be a little more confusing, so I might have to explain a little bit better to you.